Hey everybody! I'm here today with a driving lesson on forward parking using the estimation method. Now this will be a very easy driving lesson, and I'm going to show you how to learn how to forward park using a very simple estimation method. Now the estimation method for any driving maneuver is fantastic because it actually teaches you how to estimate and judge the spaces and the speed around and within your car. So it's a great simple lesson that you can use and apply to many different driving techniques and skills. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. There's actually a parking spot over there, right between that white SUV right over there and that black SUV over there. There's a parking spot right in between there, and I'm going to show you how to estimate, okay, and forward park the car. So let's go ahead. We're going to put the car in drive. As you can see, we're going to release the parking brake, and I'm going to start driving that way. Now, as I'm driving up to the spot, I'm going to be, and I'm just going to do this very slowly at first, I'm going to signal right, because the parking spot is on my right, and I'm gonna go in wide. So I'm gonna go towards the left part of this opening because the spot is on my right, okay? Now, as I'm about to turn in the spot, I'm gonna check my mirrors, okay? Just like that. I'm also going to check my right blind spot. You can check both of your blind spots if you want, but I mean, to be honest with you, all that you really have to check is your rear view mirror, your right side mirror, and your right blind spot. You don't even have to check your left mirror because there's really no point because you're turning right into the parking spot. But, you know, so check your rear view mirror, your right side mirror, and your right blind spot, okay? And as you are approaching, you're going to approach the parking spot slowly. And I'm going to purposely do this a little bit too late. So what you want to do is you want to start turning into the parking spot. So I'm going to turn the wheel, and I'm going to purposely do this too late. As you can see, I would be hitting that car right there, which I don't want to do. So I'm going to put the car in reverse. We're going to move backwards, and we're going to try it again. Okay, now this is where you learn how to estimate. So I'm going to be estimating over here. So I'm going to try the same thing, okay? But I'm going to signal right. Once again, now I'm going to do it too early. So I'm going to check my mirrors, my blind spot. I'm going to turn the wheel. Oh no, look, I estimated too early now. So I'm going to try again. And what you're going to do, to be honest with you, is you're going to keep on trying until you actually get it down pat. So I'm going to put the car in drive. We're going to signal right. And once again, we're going to go wide. So I'm steering a little bit left. Now I'm turning the wheel to the right. And as you can see, I'm guiding the car into the spot. And what I'm doing now is I'm starting to straighten out the wheel to slowly get the car in the spot. And I'm just turning it right. I'm hooking it right over here to just straighten the car in the spot. As you can see, I'm in the spot right here. I'm forward parked in the spot. And what you have to do is you have to keep on trying and estimating until you get it right, okay? So I'm going to reverse out. Let's go ahead and do all of my safety checks because I did see a pedestrian walking there. I want to make sure that I'm good to go. So I'm going to do the exact same thing now. Let's just reverse. I'm going to get a good lead up. So I'm going to reverse like substantially. All right. And when we're ready to go, I'm going to get a good lead up over here. So now I'm going to go to the same spot, putting the car in drive, signaling right, checking my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, my right blind spot. And now that I know how to estimate, I'm just going to turn the wheel right. And I'm going to maneuver the car into the spot. Now I start to sort of straighten the wheel a bit, and then I always end up hooking it right to just get the car in the spot. So like you turn the wheel right, you start going into the spot, and then I sort of straighten it a little bit to like bring the car in nice and smooth, and then I really just hook it right at the end, and that gets me in the spot. As you can see, I forward parked in the parking spot. Very simple, very easy, very straightforward. And that's basically it. That is the basics of forward parking a car using the estimation method. The best thing about the estimation method is that you can make it work for you. So let's say you start to turn the wheel when your right side mirror is like in the middle of this spot, the earlier spot that you see, and you realize you turned it too late. Well, then you can just go a little bit earlier, or if you turned it too early, you just go a little bit later, and you keep practicing. And I'm going to be honest with you, I obviously messed those ones up on purpose because, you know, if I go forward park in a spot 99.99999% of the time. I get it on the first shot, and it's not just me. Most experienced drivers will be able to do that, and it just comes with practice. And that's it. That is my simple driving lesson on forward parking using the estimation method. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.